Good afternoon. Welcome to the forecast discussion for March 27th, 2013. It's currently 1:30 p.m. We have tranquil weather conditions in place for the most part. The winds aren't too bad from the southwest at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures today will rebound into the upper 30s to lower 40s throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area over the next 2 hours, mid 30s over the interior. We also have scattered cloud cover and generally pleasant weather conditions, especially considered yesterday where winds were around 15 to 30 miles per hour and it was rather chilly out there. The good news is that we will be warming up. The bad news is that we are going to be rather active with the potential for some heavy rainfall on Sunday morning. On the latest radar, you can see we have a few scattered showers out here in the Ohio River Valley. They'll remain well to the west of the region throughout today into tomorrow morning. But these showers will move through tomorrow afternoon into Saturday morning with some isolated heavy downpours possible. Temperatures tomorrow, though, will be rather warm, ranging from the mid-30s for lows and lower to mid-50s for highs. So certainly we're moving towards a much warmer weather pattern overall, and you're going to really enjoy the temperatures towards the end of this forecast. I'll save that just for the model guidance overview. Now, on the infrared satellite picture, you can see high pressures in control. There's our monster storm well out over the Atlantic, over towards the Canadian Maritimes. Out of the way. Here is our next disturbance to worry about. This disturbance is going to approach the region, lift up through the St. Lawrence River Valley, trail this cold front through, producing scattered showers. But when we take a look at the water vapor satellite picture, you can see our subtropical jet stream is really becoming active here. This is very telling of a developing El Nino pattern starting to take shape here. We also see plenty of disturbances coming in from the Pacific, and this disturbance in particular will be driving towards the southeast, and it will produce an area low pressure by Saturday night that will lift up towards the northern mid-Atlantic by Saturday night into Sunday, producing very heavy rainfall amounts over an inch possible by the time we get to Sunday night, Monday morning, that time period. So definitely some heavy rainfall on the way with the potential for some localized flooding, especially with the ground being so cold and hard out there. One of the factors we're going to have to consider, that water just running right off of the ground, not really seeping in because the ground is so cold and hard. So what we clearly have here is a very progressive yet very active spring pattern that's going to support more of a Pacific influence from the air masses here. So we're not getting them from the Arctic anymore, we're getting them from the Pacific. And that means over time they're going to moderate and warm up. And that means we're going to see temperatures more in the 50s and 60s rather than the 30s and 40s. So something certain to look forward to. On the latest model guidance from the Penn State UL website using the GFS model guidance, again for this evening, scattered cloud cover, temperatures falling into the lower to mid 30s. For tomorrow, increasing clouds, showers by the late afternoon, let's say after 3 p.m. Temperatures will rise into the lower to mid 50s for highs. Friday night into Saturday morning, periods of showers, heavy at times, temperatures falling into the upper 30s to lower 40s. On Saturday, we'll see increasing clouds through the afternoon, periods of rain developing by late afternoon, say after 2, 3 o'clock, and continuing on through Saturday night into Sunday with some very heavy rainfall. So if you have any plans for this weekend, do it on Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon, because Saturday evening on through Sunday is going to be rather wet out there with heavy rainfall and rather raw too. Temperatures will range from the lower 40s for lows and upper 40s to lower 50s for highs. So it's going to be rather raw and chilly out there for Sunday as this storm lifts up through the mid-Atlantic, producing a nice little cutoff here. I want to make something very clear here though. This is all with the subtropical jet stream. The polar jet stream is up here, and with it, all the cold air. So really, we don't have any potential for any type of frozen precipitation at all. I want to make that very, very clear. Yes, you have temperatures at 850 millibars around freezing, but this time of year you need it to be around minus 6 degrees Celsius, which is up around here to support snowfall. So this is all a cold rain, especially with temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s. On Monday, Great news for everyone who's a baseball fan out there. Sky cloud cover and excellent weather conditions up and down the East Coast. Yes, even in Boston, by the time we get to the afternoon hours, we should see any rainfall clearing out of the region. Temperatures on Monday, especially if you're going to Citi Field, will range from the mid to upper 30s for lows and upper 50s to lower 60s for highs. Most likely they're going to be around 56, 57 degrees around Citi Field with that wind coming off of the Long Island Sound. But overall, very pleasant, very nice weather conditions. On Wednesday, there's a potential, on Tuesday, there's a potential for an isolated shower, but otherwise scattered cloud cover. Temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s, and for lows, and upper 50s to lower 60s for highs. On Wednesday, scattered cloud cover is expected, possibly a few isolated showers, but other than that, what we can expect is temperatures in the mid 40s for lows and lower to mid 60s for highs. Very nice, especially for this time of year. Pretty much slightly above normal, actually, for once. And then on Thursday, sky cloud cover again, with periods of showers starting to develop towards the evening. Temperatures in the mid to upper 40s for lows and lower to mid 60s for highs. So that is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Steven DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at NYNJPA Weather and NYNJPA Weather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.